Okay, guys, this is the Core7 Diamond. We're always asked by our group leaders when they start a Core7 networking group how they should get started. Should we ask our existing partners or wait to find new ones? Here's my opinion. Start with your current partners because the Core7 system will double, triple, sometimes 10 times the business you do together. The first Core7 team that I set up did 10 times the production that we did before we started Core7. And that's because Core7 is a predictable, systematic, and accountable system that creates so much opportunity and it guarantees results. So my existing partners were able to generate much more business because of the organization and structure of the program. Now, most of our Core7 chapters are started by real estate agents and mortgage professionals. So my suggestion on how to get started is to set up the Core7 Diamond. So let's use a realtor as an example. If a realtor starts a Core7 group, they should already have a mortgage professional and a closing agent, which is either a real estate attorney or an escrow officer, depending on where they are, that they're already referring business to. So right there, that's 3 that you should have right away. Now, the next professional to find is the financial advisor, because the thing that makes Core7 awesome is what we call the crossover. Now, we discussed the crossover in more detail in a separate module, so I'll explain it quickly right here. What makes the Core7 system special is that the real estate side systematically refers the financial side, and the financial side systematically refers the real estate side. So each client always has a holistic plan and a team that collaborates together. It's that simple, but makes all the difference. Okay, let's walk through how the Core7 Diamond works. Okay, so how to start a Core7 group? We always say start with the Core7 Diamond, and here's why. So let's say we have a real estate agent. So we have the realtor, right? Any producing realtor has a mortgage originator and a closing agent, either a real estate attorney or escrow officer that they're already using, okay? So they are giving referrals to those professionals anyway, okay? Now, what we teach in Core7 is for the financial advisor and the real estate attorney to introduce the financial advisor on every deal. So the realtor refers the mortgage person, and the mortgage person will say, you know what? Want to make sure that real estate fits into your overall financial plan? How's your relationship with your financial advisor? Who's right there? The real estate attorney says, congratulations on your closing. You're going to be bombarded by mortgage protection letters. I have someone on my team that would be great. Could I make the introduction? And they introduce the financial advisor. So how does that work? How does it benefit the diamond? Well, the financial advisor, when they're working with their clients, we teach them to ask real estate questions before someone's buying or selling. Because the fact of the matter is the real estate industry has done an amazing job at being the first phone call that a client makes whenever they think about real estate. When they think of buying, selling, upsizing, downsizing, whatever they're thinking of, they call the realtor first. So many times when a financial advisor's clients are saying to their advisor, I'm selling, the advisor can't refer the realtor because they've already spoken to a realtor. So we teach the advisor to ask questions regarding net worth, which real estate is a part of. So we have the advisor say, you know, I'm looking at Zillow, says your property's worth $500,000. But you know what? Zillow's not always accurate. How's your relationship with your real estate agent who specializes in equity assessments? And now those clients go back to the realtor. So that's how the diamond works, guys. It's that simple. You got your mortgage originator. They refer the financial advisor refers the realtor, and everybody's winning. And that's the way to start your Core7 networking group. Those are the first 4 that you should add, and then you go from there. So set up a Core7 Diamond, generate referrals, add value to your partners, and make a difference in the lives of your clients. Be well.